How do you make ChatGPT or Claude answer questions based on your custom knowledge base? Today we have large language models that can answer most of our questions based on generic information that it was trained on from the internet. But what if I have a knowledge base of my own which contains some information that I want the LLM to use while answering my questions? That is where a RAG comes into the picture. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So here is how a RAG works. The first step is to take your data and break it down into chunks. Each chunk is then sent to an embedding model which will return you a vector that you will store in a vector database like pgvector or ChromaDB. This process is called indexing. This is done once ahead of time. Now during runtime, for each user question, you will send the question to the embedding model that will return you a vector. You then send this vector to the vector database that will match the query vector against the vectors of your stored data. And it will return about 5 to 6 chunks whose vector matches most closely with the user query vector. These chunks are then passed in the prompt to the LLM along with the user question. And this is how you get a response that is based on your own knowledge base instead of just generic information from the internet.